are 2 inches wheel spacer safe.
Ford Maverick wheel spacers will adjust the offset value after installation. The wheel position will be moved to both sides of the street to obtain a wider track.
If you install them properly, 2 inches wheel spacers are exactly very safe to use and will not cause any vibration. It is recommended to get a wheel spacer installed at a reputable wheel shop. When choosing the best 2-inch wheel spacers, it's critical to make sure the wheel spacer can fit your car and are strong enough to take advantage of the vehicle's performance. For daily commuter comforts to off-roading events, there are many choices of wheel spacers. 2-inch wheel spacer can provide additional clearance for bigger tires, larger brake calipers, a lift kit or suspension modifications. Off-road vehicles that use oversized AT tires often require spacer to prevent the tires from rubbing against the suspension components.
For most truck owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, tire spacers are a balanced choice. Good Hub-Centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. The Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, capability with your vehicle. High-quality spacers can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!